Friends, in this module I shall talk about STRs, short tandem repeats. After studying this module, you shall be able to understand what are short tandem repeats and what are their forensic applications and how the STRs have advantage over conventional DNA typing techniques like VNTRs. Genomes of eukaryotes are full of repeated DNA sequences. These sequences are present in various sizes. They are usually named according to the length of the core repeat units and the number of adjacent repeats units or complete length of the repeat region. There might be several hundreds to thousands bases in core repeats of long repeat units. Those regions of DNA which have short repeats, that is 2 to 6 base pair in length, are known as short tandem repeats, or in short STRs. They are highly polymorphic microsatellites. The center of the chromosome is surrounded by STRs. Thousands of polymorphic microsatellites have been discovered in human DNA. Only 3% human genome comprises of short tandem repeats or STRs. These are dispersed throughout the genome and are present after every 1000 nucleotide on the average. The figure shows various autosomal STRs present on different chromosomes, and these STRs have been chosen by FBI laboratory in US to store them in databases, which is called CODIS. The figure shows different STRs on the samples, one received from the crime scene and one recovered from the suspect. Comparison of the crime scene and the suspect DNA shows that this AGAT in the crime scene sample and AGAT in the suspect's sample is the same. Similarly, another STR at site number 2, GATA, the number of short tandem repeats here do not match with the suspect's DNA. The type of short tandem repeats on the basis of length are: number 1, dinucleotides. They have 2 nucleotides which are repeated next to each other again and again in the DNA. In trinucleotide STRs, the 3 nucleotides are repeated next to each other again and again. Similarly, in tetranucleotides, 4 nucleotides are repeated again and again, and in pentanucleotides, 5 nucleotides are repeated again and again. In hexanucleotide, 6 nucleotides are repeated again and again at particular site on the chromosome. The type of STRs on the basis of pattern. There are 3 types: simple repeats, which are identical in length and sequence, and compound repeats, where 2 or more adjacent simple repeats are present, and in complex repeats, several repeat blocks of variable unit length and variable intervening sequences are present in complex sequences. Complex repeats are not commonly used in forensic DNA typing because of the difficulties with measurement variability between laboratories and allelic nomenclature. Coming to YSTRs, there are short tandem repeats present on male specific Y chromosome. Short arm of Y chromosome comprises of coding genes which are responsible for spermatogenesis and other male related functions and determination of male sex. Among unrelated males, these short-term repeats are polymorphic. They are inherited from father and shows little change through generations. They are mainly used to examine sexual assault evidence in forensic laboratories. In such cases, female as well as male DNA will be present in vaginal swabs. To separate female components from male components, differential extraction is used. However, sometimes separation of male and female components of DNA is not complete. As a result, male component also contain female component. In such cases, during amplification of male DNA, female DNA also undergoes amplification and can even mask the male DNA, which in turn makes the autosomal STR analysis difficult. This masking does not occur while examining STR at Y chromosome due to the absence of YSTR in female sample and presence of YSTR in male sample. The culprit in case of sexual assault can be linked to the crime. YSTR are also useful in non-sexual assault cases where the evidence material contains mixed sample of several males. Identification of all males can be done through YSTR typing. Mini STRs. The short tandem repeats testing is not successful in case of highly degraded DNA samples or which are limited in quality and quantity. In such situations, only partial STR profile may be obtained due to dropout of STR alleles. Such partial DNA profile does not provide enough information in forensic cases. Use of mini STRs is an alternative approach to such cases. For mini STR analysis, specially designed primer are used which target the mini STR for amplification. Mini STR typing helps in obtaining DNA profile even from highly degraded samples. Now, characteristic of STR selected for human identification. It is important to have DNA markers which show maximum variation so that they can be used for human identification. A large number of tetranucleotide short tandem repeats have been discovered which can be used for human identification. Y chromosome STRs are used for analyzing male-female mixtures from sexual crimes and in cases where more than one males are involved in the crime. Following characteristics have been considered for selection of short tandem repeat loci which have been validated for identification. Number 1, high discriminating power, usually more than 0.9, with observed heterozygosity more than 70%. And number 2, the chromosomal location chosen should be separate to make sure that closely linked loci are not chosen. Number 3, the result should be reproducible and robust when multiplexed with other markers. And number 4, formation of Stutter products, small peaks formed that are several bases smaller than STR peaks, resulting in PCR process when the short tandem repeat loci are copied by the DNA polymerase should be low, and number 5, the mutation rate should be low. Number 6, for analysis of degraded sample, alleles with length in range of 90 to 500 base pairs should be preferred. Number 7, the short tandem repeat marker should be chosen from separate chromosomes for forensic DNA typing to avoid any problem with linkage between markers. Advantages of STR over conventional VNTRs. There are several advantages of PCR based STRs over conventional RFLP technique of VNTRs or variable number of tandem repeat. Number 1, multiplexing is possible with a narrow allele size range. Number 2, allelic dropout from preferential application of smaller alleles are reduced due to narrow allele size. And number 3, STRs can generate small PCR products which helps in recovering the information from degraded DNA samples. The Stutter products formation is reduced as compared to dinucleotide repeat, which help in interpretation of the sample mixture. Now, application of STRs. The short tandem repeats or STRs are small regions in DNA which are analyzed for various purposes. These are used in forensic testing in crime cases, missing person cases, paternity disputes. Besides, STRs are used for following other purposes also. Number 1, detection of contamination of tissue samples. To understand various normal or abnormal physiological or cellular functions, tissues are dissected and analyzed. In cases where sample identity is doubted, comparison of STR profile of tissues can be done with reference samples to determine sample's identity. The analysis is used to detect sample contamination. The profile of contaminated sample appears as mixed STR profile. Due to sensitivity of STR analysis, it can create full profile from less than 100 picogram of DNA. This sensitivity allows detection of very little quantities of contaminating cells or tissues. Another application is detecting maternal cell contamination and fetal aneuploidy. Prenatal samples are contaminated with maternal cells. Before assaying prenatal fetal sample, short tandem repeat analysis is performed to make sure prenatal fetal sample is not contaminated with maternal cells. This is important consideration where maternal DNA can interfere with results. This analysis is also used to detect fetal blood in maternal blood. STR analysis is used to detect fetal chromosomal abnormalities like trisomy or aneuploidies. Fetal gender can be determined using dimorphic amelogenin locus, which distinguishes XX female and XY male individual. In cancer research, genetic mutations result in unregulated growth of abnormal cells. This unregulated growth of cell is known as cancer. Genetic mutations generally occur in tumor suppressor genes or other proto-oncogenes. To understand all the detail of development and progression of the cancer, it is necessary to study associated genetic changes. The genetic changes can be determined using short tandem repeat loci. Another application of STRs is in determining twin zygosity. To analyze whether the twins are monozygotic or dizygotic, short tandem repeat analysis is used. STRs are also used for examining the rate of monozygotic twin or triple births as a result of artificial techniques. In summary, we can say that those regions of DNA which have short repeats 2 to 6 or 7 bases base pair are known as short tandem repeats or STRs. The STR method is used to compare DNA or a particular loci of 2 or more samples. One copy of STR with or without similar repeat number is inherited by an individual from each parent. Variability of number of repeats of STR is high among individuals, which make it useful for human identification. Since STRs are of small size, they can be easily amplified using PCR even from degraded samples. STRs are highly polymorphic, which help in discrimination between two DNA profiles. STRs are of various types: dinucleotides, trinucleotides, tetranucleotides, pentanucleotide, and hexanucleotide. Short tandem repeats are also present on X and Y chromosome. Mini STR primers focus on STR locus only, which result in smaller DNA product. This increases the chances of successful amplification of larger loci. Due to sensitivity of mini STR analysis, it can create full profile from less than 100 picogram of DNA. This sensitivity allows detection of very little quantities of contaminating cells and tissues. To detect fetal chromosomal abnormalities like trisomies, aneuploidies, STR analysis is used. To understand all detail of development and progression of cancer, it is necessary to study the associated genetic changes. The genetic changes can be determined using short tandem repeat loci. For informative studies examining the rate of monozygotic, twin or triplet birth as a result of artificial techniques,